Ben from Snowy's here, folks. Today showing you these foam dividers that you can use to organise your front runner storage box.
Hit it.
This kit includes 3 kits of reinforced foam dividers. It comes complete with a knife and connectors so you can cut them up and customise your front runner storage box. Before we dive in, we've got loads more content like this on our channel, so make sure you like and subscribe below. Now let's jump into the product. Now this kit comes with, the pictures don't tell you a lot, so I'm just going to show you quickly how this works, because this can really enhance your front runner storage cube. So you get 3 of these foam panels in here. Each of these measures 95 centimetres in length by 17.8 centimetres by about 1.2 centimetres in width here. And you also get a little craft knife here, so you can cut them up and customise your kit, and these little dividers here, or little joiners, sorry, here. So these are just U-joiners. You cut this off here and it just becomes a little U pin there that you can use to join this up in a custom sort of manner. And I'll demonstrate how you can do that here today. Now these dividers are made up with a core flute, like a plastic core flute through the middle, and then foam sandwiched or attached on each side here to create protection for what's inside the tubs. And this 17.8 centimetre height will fit inside the wolf pack here as well as the cub pack here. Ideally you could put it in any of your storage tubs if you like. So to set this up, what you would do is work out what you want to store inside here. If you want to put storage protection right around the edges here, you get your knife here and you'd measure out the edges here, the width that you want it, and you cut this so you've got the sections. So you cut one here, one here, one here, and one here. And then on the corners, when you have 2 bits coming together, I'll try and show you this. So where these corners meet is where you use these little U-joiners here. Now, I won't take this off at the moment, but you can insert these like this. This will just insert into the core flute like this. And then the other side would insert in here. If I actually took this off, it would insert all the way up to the top there and join that corner together. You can then do that over and over inside. So if you've got all 4 corners set up like this, you can then cut another one through the middle and then smaller sections in here if you like, and you just keep putting these U-joiners on all of these joints here to join it all together however you like, however you want to customize the inside of your storage box. So you can then carry, you could even lay it flat on the bottom if you liked. You'd have to cut it lengthways to do that. You'd have to cut a strip off there for it to fit lengthways, but you could put it on the bottom, or if you wanted to get other foam on the bottom and then put this on top, you could do that as well. That way you can put, camera gear, whatever you like to keep inside here, and you need to keep it protected. These tubs are durable enough to strap on top of a roof rack and also go on back of a 4-wheel drive or a ute. So if you've got fragile stuff that you're transporting on rough roads, add these into your kit and it's going to give it protection. This is nice firm foam here, so if one thing hits this side and this side, they're not going to be rubbing together. It's a nice firm closed cell foam that this is made of, so it's going to offer really good protection for all of your gear. So if you've got any storage tub, but in particular the the front runner wolf pack storage tubs, or their cub packs, these are going to be able to customize that setup if you've got specific gear that you need to store in here, take in and out, keep organized and keep protected no matter what track, trail, wherever you're traveling. It could be on a boat if you like. Enhance your storage tubs with these dividers. Simple but handy little addition to your kit. Check them out online at snowys.com.au.